Questions I get asked as an Igbo Muslim, part 2. How am I Igbo and a Muslim? Well, my dad is Igbo, my mom is Igbo. Come together, had me, I'm an Igbo. Am I fully Igbo? Yes. I explained my dad's Igbo, mom's Igbo, me, I'm Igbo. And you're only Igbo from your dad's side, I know. My dad is 100% Igbo. Why don't I look Igbo? That's like another question. What does looking Igbo even mean? Like, I look very Igbo. To me, I have the most generic Igbo features like lightish, fairy skin, big lips, kind of almond slanted eyes, and a big forehead. Not every Igbo has light skin before I get cancelled for saying that. I'm just saying those are the most stereotypical Igbo features. Would I marry an Igbo Christian? No. Stop asking me that. Stop giving me marriage proposals. Stop sending me marriage proposals. Stop like asking me. No, because I'm not. It's never going to happen. And why would I marry somebody from TikTok? Would I raise my children to be Muslim? Yes, inshallah. I'm gonna have Igbo Muslim children, and we're gonna bring up a dynasty. Yeah, we're gonna have a whole lineage, Igbo Muslim lineage, inshallah. Why don't I go by my Igbo name? First of all, girl, I don't even know. I go by my Islamic name. You can call me by Hietchi, but I really won't respond if you're not a close family member. And okay, why don't I wear Igbo traditional clothes? Because they're not modest. Yeah. Why don't I post myself to Igbo music? Well, I do. Yeah, I do. But like, by Igbo music, do you mean like Igbo gospel music? Because I don't really listen to Igbo gospel music like that. And if I do post myself to Igbo gospel music, you guys will come for my necks. So no. But I feel like there should be Igbo nasheeds. Nasheeds in Igbo. Like, anybody who's an Igbo Muslim that likes to sing should make a nasheed. Why would I be a Muslim and Igbo? I have to pick one. You don't need to pick one. I'm not gonna pick one. Why do I wear the hijab? Because I'm Muslim and it's obligatory. Igbo women don't dress like that. Well, I dress like that. Now what? You can't be Igbo and a Muslim. I am. Now what?